Hi, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and this video focuses on important estate planning considerations for LGBTQ couples. Now, everyone needs estate planning, regardless of your age or race or gender or sexual orientation. Properly protecting your own future and your loved ones really requires a good plan be put in place. And for LGBTQ couples, there are a few things that you should consider when crafting an estate plan. Now, each couple is unique, and it is our goal to ensure that your personal wishes are carried out and that no one else is dictating what should happen with your money or your property or your children. Now, let's talk about your existing estate plan. If you already have estate planning documents prepared, you should review them periodically. If your estate planning documents were signed prior to 2015, it is crucial to have a qualified estate planning attorney review them, as same-sex marriage is now recognized in all 50 states. Now, this recognition could open up new planning opportunities that may not have been available to you in prior years if you and your partner are now married. Let's talk about marriage. So as I just mentioned, same-sex marriage is recognized in all 50 states. And it's an opportunity for you to decide, if you're not married already, whether you and your partner should tie the knot. And while there's a lot of emotions behind marriage, there are also estate planning and tax considerations. So depending on your situation, then you just want to sit down and make sure that your estate plan is drafted in such a way that ensures that all of your wishes, both emotionally and financially, will be carried out. Now, if you have biological or adopted children, you will need to name someone to take care of them should something happen to you. And this is especially important if your partner is not the children's legal parent. Without that proper appointment, the court could end up placing your children with someone that you would not have chosen. Alternatively, if you'd like to provide for your partner's children, but you haven't legally adopted them, then you'll need to make sure that your will or your trust specifically states what you would like the children to receive, since they would not be entitled to anything otherwise unless it was crafted in your estate plan. Absent estate planning being executed by you, state law will fill in the gaps by defaulting to your spouse or blood relatives. Now, for some unmarried individuals, these could be the last individuals you want acting on your behalf or receiving your money and property. And if you and your partner are not married and you don't plan to get married, then you will need to make sure that your estate planning specifically appoints them to the roles of personal representative and trustee, the agent under the power of attorney, or a patient advocate under a medical power of attorney, and you want them to have and designate what your partner is to receive at your death. If you have good friends that you consider to be your family or causes that are close to your heart, you will need to have an executed estate plan to protect and provide for your true family, whether or not they are actual blood relatives. Additionally, if you are estranged from your family, proper planning can ensure that they will have little or no involvement in your affairs after you pass away, reducing the possibility of them coming out and wanting to contest. So this can be done by using a trust to distribute your money and property so that there's no court involvement and only those named in the trust have access to the necessary information, by explicitly stating in your will which family members are to receive nothing, and by including no contest provisions in your documents. We help our clients navigate these sensitive issues every day, and you can find an estate planning attorney to help you as well. Estate planning can provide you with the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your wishes will be carried out in the way that you want after you're no longer here. So if you live in Massachusetts or New Hampshire, please give us a call, schedule an appointment, and we'll be happy to help you and get you on the path towards protecting your loved ones and putting an effective estate plan in place. I want to thank you for watching. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, and I will see you for the next video.